Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to make a beautiful scene of picture using acrylic. I'll guide you how to use acrylic paints to make this picture step by step. So here I have used a canvas of 4 by 4 size and I have tilted in a diagonal shape because the picture I'm going to draw will look more vibrant and more beautiful in this size. Now I have taken light pastel pink and purple colors. Basically, I have mixed these colors with white acrylic paint and make it a lighter shade. In the center of this picture, I have drawn a giant circle out of white color that will represent the moon in this picture. Now I'm using black acrylic paint and now I'm drawing a line at the equator. I'm making this line more thick and more prominent. Basically, this will represent a dawn image in which a train is moving across the bridge. So here I'm making the bridge very carefully and maintaining the both sides of the bridge equally. Now at the bottom of the picture, which is also bottom of the bridge, I'm going to draw some trees to make the picture completes its look. So to make some trees, I have used a sponge and I have pressed a black color, spread the black color all over the picture under the bridge. Now at the top of the bridge, I'm going to draw a train, and to make that train I'm making some block sections that will show different sections of the train. For this I have rotated my canvas so that it cannot leave us with a messy look. So here I have completed the train and I have also shown some of the smoke, and now I am completing the minor details. Hope you have liked the video. Stay blessed.